Well, in this session, let me to continue regarding the process of differentiation of parametric functions. Process of differentiation of parametric functions. Okay, some special problems are there. Let me to consider those things. In this session, we shall continue with some of the important problems on parametric functions now. First problem check. Here there is given x is equal to sin cube t divided by root cos 2t, y is equal to cos cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Let me to differentiate this and we shall get the final differentiation of dy by dx. Look at the first procedure, right? Given x is equal to sin cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Now this is a problem which is in the form of u by v form. U by v form exists agide. And let me to differentiate the function by using quotient rule. So rule ಏನು v into differentiation of u minus u into differentiation of v divided by v square. dx by dt is equal to first denominator root of cos 2t into differentiation of sin cube t d by dt of sin cube t differentiation of u minus u sin cube t into differentiation of denominator root cos 2t divided by square of the denominator root of cos 2t whole square. Got it? V into differentiation of u minus u into differentiation of v divided by v square. I simplify further. This clearly is equal to root of cos 2t into, shall I differentiate? Differentiation of sin cube theta, first cubic differentiate matter 3 sin square t into differentiation of sin t is upon that cos t. Differentiation of sin t is cos t. Right? Plus next term minus of sin cube t into, now let me get the differentiation of root of cos 2 theta. Root of cos 2 theta andre 1 divided by 2 root of cos 2t into differentiation of cos 2t. I want to get differentiation of cos ax is upon that minus a sin ax minus a sin 2t. Divided by root of cos 2t whole square. Square root cancel agutte cos 2t ಮಾತ್ರ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Got it? So now multiply both numerator and denominator by cos 2t. Cos 2t ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Root cos 2t ಇಂದ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ root of cos 2t ಇದೆ. I want to cancel this. ಅದೊಂದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. To cancel ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, look at the answer. Answer check ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Now observe this. Root cos 2t into root cos 2t ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 2t. Root of x into root x and root x whole square. Root cos 2t into root cos 2t and root cos 2t whole square. Square root cancel agutte cos 2t. ಈಗ 3 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Let me write it. And what is the remainder? Sin square t into cos t ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Correct? Minus into minus plus. Sin cube t sin 2t, sin cube t into sin 2t divided by root cos 2t ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ root cos 2t into cos 2t is the term remaining in the denominator. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? So just look at all the things now. ಒಂದಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay. Now I am ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನನಗೆ 3 sin square t cos t ಹಂಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ರೂಟ್ cos 2t into root cos 2t ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 2t ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ cos 2t ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ cos 2t into cos 2t ಇರ್ತದೆ. We shall simplify further simplification ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ. Therefore your dx by dt is equal to ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್, ಇವೆರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ನ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ 3 sin square t cos t ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. 3 sin square t cos t ಹಂಗೆ ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಇಂಟು I want to substitute for cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta na in terms of sin theta represent ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Cos 2 theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ and you should remember this. So this is the formula that you should remember. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta and 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. I am making use both the results. ಎರಡು formulas ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ತಪ್ಪೇಳಿ. Now I want to represent cos 2 theta in terms of sin theta. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? cos 2 theta in terms of sin theta ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 minus 2 sin square theta ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ as it is ಬರುತ್ತೆ. sin cube t into sin 2t. sin cube t into sin 2 theta ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ 2 sin t cos t. 2 sin t into cos t divided by denominator ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ denominator and we shall multiply and simplify it so that your dx by dt is equal to 3 into 1 3 sin square t cos t ಬಂದಿದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 into 2 6 sin square t into sin square t sin to the power of 4t into cos t ಬಂದಿದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 into sin cube t into sin t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? sin to the power of 4t into cos t ಬಂದಿದೆ divided by denominator square root of cos 2t into cos 2t. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ನಾ 3 sin square t cos t ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 3 sin square t into cos t ಹಂಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 6 sin to the power of 4t cos t plus 2 sin to the power of 4t cos t ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 times of 6 minus 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 sin to the power of 4t into cos t divided by root of cos 2t into cos 2t. This will be your equation 1. ಅಥವಾ the value of dx by dt. Let me continue with finding the value of dy by dt. What is the value of y? Therefore, y is equal to cos cube t divided by root of cos 2t. Once again, this is a problem which is in u by v form. U by v form. Okay? Now shall I differentiate? Therefore, your dy by dt is equal to ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ v into v ಎಷ್ಟು denominator root of cos 2t into. Can you say the differentiation of cos cube t? Cos cube t differentiation of 3 cos square t into differentiation of cos t minus sin t. Minus sin t. Got it? V into differentiation of u cos cube t ಗೆ 3 cos square t cos t ಗೆ minus sin t minus of u cos cube t into differentiation of 1 by cos root t is 1 divided by 2 root of cos 2t into cos 2t के differentiation of minus 2 sin 2t divided by square of the denominator root of cos 2t whole square. That is. Repeat it once again. V into differentiation of u 3 cos square t minus 18 minus u into differentiation of root of cos 2t 1 by 2 root of cos 2t into minus 2 sin 2t divided by denominator. Okay, shall I continue? Therefore, multiply by same thing I'm going to do here, alright? Let's put to multiply by root of cos 2t in both numerator and denominator, so that your dy by dx will becomes x power. Il 2 cancel ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Root cos 2t into root cos 2t ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 2t ಇರುತ್ತೆ. cos 2t correct? minus ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯದ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? 3 cos square t sin t. ಇಲ್ಲಿ root cos 2t ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. minus into minus plus cos cube t into sin 2t divided by root of cos 2t multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ into square root of cos 2t whole square ಇರ್ತದೆ cos 2t ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That is ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? I will repeat this step once again. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದೆ ರಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, root of cos 2t into root of cos 2t ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos 2t ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ cos 2t ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ cos cube t into sin 2t ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Shall I continue this further now, right? Further continuation ಮಾಡೋಣ. For therefore your dy by dt is equal to ಏನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ cos 2t ನ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ cos t ಬರೀಬೇಕು. cos 2t ನ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ cos t ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, cos 2t ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? minus 3 cos 2t ಬದಲಿಗೆ cos square t sin t ಗೆ ಬದಲಿ cos square t into sin t. got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ? ಪ್ಲಸ್ cos cube t ಹಂಗೆ ಬದಲಿ as it is, ಅದನ್ನೇನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. this will be t only. sin 2t ಗೆ once again write it as 2 sin t into cos t divided by square of the denominator. That is to say denominator ಬರಬೇಕು cos 2t into root of cos 2t. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? I am representing cos 2t in terms of cos. Simplify ಮಾಡೋಣ. Therefore your dy by dt is equal to, right, multiply ಮಾಡಲಾ, minus 3 to the 6 cos to the power of square t into cos square t ಅಂದ್ರೆ cos to the power of 4t sin t. Look at the values are multiplying. ಇದು ಮೂರು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. minus 3 to the 6 cos square t cos to the power of 4t sin t. Next term minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3 cos square t sin t ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದೆ? plus look at the value 2 ones are 2 cos cube t into cos t cos to the power of 4t sin t divided by your denominator cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Got it? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? Now shall I simplify further? Therefore, your dy by dt is equal to, now first term simplify minus 6 first lecture in positive value 3 cos square t into sin t first ಬರೆಯಿರಿ. remaining term minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 times of cos to the power of 40 sin t divided by cos 2t into root of cos 2t. This will be your equation 2 dy by dt. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? I will repeat this. It's a huge problem. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎರಡೂ ಕಡೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. I am differentiating both x and y in u by v form. u by v form ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನು? v, that is to say denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. ಮಾಡಿದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2t ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಏನು? u by v ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2t. ಮೂರನೇ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಇದೆ, ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ x ಗೆ, y ಗೆ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2t. That's all. So just have to find out dy by dt and as well as dx by dt. Read on this. Let me define dy by dx now. Now we shall continue to find the value of dy by dx. Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to, what is the formula? dy by dt divided by dx by dt. This is the parametric function procedure. Now the value of dy by dx is equal to, shall I write numerator or denominator? First step dy by dt. What is that? This is the function 3 cos square t into sin t. Correct enough? Minus 4 cos to the power of 40 sin t. 4 cos to the power of 40 sin t divided by denominator. ಎಷ್ಟು denominator of cos 2t into root of cos 2t. This is the denominator. All divided by, shall I write the value of dx by dt in the denominator? Dx by dt is there, equation 1. 3 sin square t into cos t. Correct? Minus 4 sin to the power of 40 into cos t divided by cos 2t into root of cos 2t. Look at this. Both denominators cancel. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Look at this. dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಯಾವ್ದು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದುಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು cos square t sin t ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ cos square t ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದು, sin t ನು ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯಬಹುದು. So I can take cos square t into sin t as a common factor in the numerator. ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 3 ಉಳಿದಂತು minus 4 into 1 of the cos square t ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು cos square t ಉಳಿದಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು sin t ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, 4 cos square t ಉಳಿದಿದೆ divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin square t into cos t ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Can you say the remaining terms here? 3 minus 4 times of sin square t ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, sin to the power of 40 ಉಳಿದಿದೆ into cos t ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 1 of the cos t cancel, 1 of the sin t cancel ಆಗಿದೆ. Then write the remaining term here. dy by dx is equal to cos t, correct ಏನಪ್ಪ, into 3 minus 4 cos square t ಉಳಿತು divided by sin t into 3 minus 4 sine to the power of square. I think so it should be now, right? Is square here. Shall I multiply those two? 3 cos theta minus 4 cos square t into cos t is cos cube t divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t. Got it? Therefore, your dy by dx is equal to ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ it will be in the standard form 4 cos cube t minus 3 cos t ಉಳಿದಿರುತ್ತೆ divided by denominator it is already in the sin theta form 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t ಉಳಿದಿದೆ. Correct? Now this will be equal to minus what is the value of sin? 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is cos 3t divided by 3 sin t minus 4 sin cube t is sin 3t. So definitely your value of dy by dx is equal to minus cos by sin is cot theta minus cot 3t will be your final answer. Carefully observe, and this will be the very important problem for you people to be understand. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ and practice this problem. ಒಂದು 5-6 ಸಲ ಬರೆದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 4 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ನ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೋತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈನ ಯು ಬೈ ವಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2t ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಸ್ 2tಗೆ in terms of sin and cos formula substitute ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. That's all. Very simple logic now, right? Carefully observe and solve the problem. We shall take one more problem in this session. See, now let me solve one more problem. Another problem solve ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Here it is the problem given to you. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರೀತೀನಿ and I will simplify. ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾನು. I will show both the methods for you people now, right? Let x is equal to square root of a to the power of sin inverse of t. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವುದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? y is equal to root of a to the power of cos inverse of t ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. I want to show that the value of dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. It's perfect answer. Try ಮಾಡೋಣ. Look at the best option and easiest method of ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Therefore, let me to get the product x into y. X into y product ನ multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. This will be root of a to the power of sin inverse of t into root of a to the power of cos inverse of t. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದಲ್ವಾ? I am getting the product x into y. Therefore, x into y is equal to square root of a to the power of sin inverse of t into a to the power of cos inverse of t. Root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I am writing both the terms inside the root. Root ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ a to the power of x into a to the power of y ಅಂದ್ರೆ a to the power of x plus y. This is by making use the theory of indices result. Therefore, your product x into y is equal to root of a to the power of sin inverse of t plus cos inverse of t. ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. I simplify this further now. Therefore, x into y the product is equal to root of a to the power of pi by 2. Root of a to the power of pi by 2 out. Can you differentiate this function? Differentiating with respect to x, what will happen now? First function x into differentiation of y is dy by dx plus second function y into differentiation of x is upon 1 is equal to root of 8 to the power of pi by 2 is 0 because it is a constant, 0. Therefore, your x into dy by dx is equal to minus y. Can you get the final answer? Therefore, your dy by dx should be equal to minus y by x will be your answer. Right? So this will be a solution, or this is the required answer for this problem. In method mind, tumba sulabha ide. I hope so you understand this procedure in a very simple manner. Right? Let us. Yeah, there is one problem for you people. If y is equal to 12 into 1 minus cos t, x is equal to 10 into t minus sin t, then you should find dy by dx. So we should go with the regular procedure now, right? What is the value of y given? 12 into 1 minus cos t. Correct enough? Now differentiating this function with respect to t. What will happen now? dy by dt is equal to 12 into 1 is 0 minus cos t minus sin t becomes plus sin t. 12 into sin t. What is the value of x? X has put in the note 10 times of t minus sin t. This problems we already ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಂಗಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು feeling easy now. Differentiating with respect to t. What will happen to dx by dt? 10 ಅಂತ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. Differential of sin theta is cos theta. Therefore, we know that your dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. ಈ ತರ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನಾನು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾನು. Therefore, final answer for this dy by dx is equal to, can you write dy by dt? dy by dt ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ? dy by dt first one, 12 times of sin t. 12 times of sin t divided by 10 into 1 minus cos t. 10 into 1 minus cos t. So just let me substitute the value of sin t and as well as 1 minus cos t. ಇದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನಾನು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ. dy by dx is equal to, right? How do you divide this? ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? 2 6 are 2 5 are 2 6 are 2 5 are. Sin t, 2 sin t into cos t, or 2 sin t by 2 into cos t by 2. This is the formula. And what is the formula for 1 minus cos theta? 1 minus cos theta ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬಹುದು? ನಮಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, right? Look at this now, right? Now, right, 10 into, that is why 1 minus cos t is 2 sin square t by 2. One of the 2 cancel, one of the sin t by 2 cancel. Can you find answer now? dy by dx is equal to 6 by 5 into cos theta by sin theta is cot theta, cot t by 2. This will be the final answer now. Got it? So, this will be sufficient number of problems I am solving on parametric functions. ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ನನಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕದಲ್ಲಿ 2 ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ನ ಒಂದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Find both x and y differentiation individually and then substitute, simplify. A very simple logic and an important pattern of differentiation. Alright? In the upcoming classes, in the next classes, I will come across this successive differentiations. Okay? Thank you.